Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty video.
Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
So guys, it's December 11th. So yes, the last vlog I actually posted was not yesterday's vlog but the day before. So this is actually the 11th vlog. The 10th vlog I did not do a vlog, but I will be doing a video because yesterday from the vlog before you guys heard that I had my shot, and yesterday it was even worse. I was just ill and just sleeping and then not being able to do much because we're having a work day and I was trying to do at least a little bit, which I didn't really get to do much, but I did something. But today I'm feeling much better, and I'm happy that I'm feeling much better because I need to do some work today. So because the kitchen no finish all no. Yeah, so I want to finish that today. But yeah, the place is so windy and so nice and, ooh, yay. So we are up. I'm not even sure what time it is, but we're up. We're gonna get some work done. I'm not feeling the pain right now. Head not hurt me, so you know, happy for that. So yeah, so I need to film the video today, like quick, so that I can edit it and upload it, schedule it for 3 p.m. So yeah. I know I have some washing to do. I have the folding up some clothes that I did from them. You remember the laundry day? Yeah, from that day. I haven't folded the clothes and put them away as yet. I still haven't finished cleaning my room because I haven't done the windows as yet and changed the curtain. All of that haven't been done as yet, so all of that I need to do today. And what else? I'm not sure if I have any school things. Oh yes guys, by the way, CXC work, I registered all of them. Oh, registration done ish. So we have some other things that we need to do, but it's not registration, so I'm happy for that I'm done with that. Still have the city and girls one to do partially, but it's not my fault, but it's not done. It's the person's in charge, not at my school but overall, because they made something new and we don't know how to do it and they can't tell us how to do it, so it's not our fault. So that I have to do, but not this weekend. I guess probably about Monday or something, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just happy that I did not choose to take the vaccine earlier in the week and choose to take it nearer to the weekend, because if I did not do that, I would have to take about 2 days or 3 days away from school. I know next year the vaccine, my second dose is due like February thereabout. I might have to take a week, because if this first dose hit me like this, the second dose might hit me a little harder. So I'm scared. We might have to take a week. Oh, yes, an update. My sister actually got the symptoms I got last night, but I think she's feeling much better, and I'm hoping she is, so we can get some work done. So yeah. So we had work day yesterday, and guys, I think they did a great job. It's so cute. So cute. Like everywhere is so pretty. Alright guys, so we have completed putting away most of the things, just those things that are there, but pretty much everything else is in place.
I'm not put away.
You're not put away, I so put you away. So yes, the table is finally clear again. Pantry is done. The only thing left in here to do is to like wipe the floor, and then we are done with this kitchen. Oh yes, and to do the windows and put up the things. So yes. Oh, I almost forgot. This I'll do tomorrow. Yeah, fridge never get to do, but we're kind of crunch for time, so we'll do that tomorrow.
I'm sorry.
So yes, yeah, that is done. Neat, clean. Yeah.
me ask you I'm gonna go.
You know. Oh. Yeah. And you know, where that's coming from churches and things is yeah, and KK in her drip. Yeah.
Drip.
Yeah. Rate my drip.
You don't match.
Rate my drip. Yeah.
It's a 0.
Rate his drip.
We're on a drip. You see, this is Santa and we're fixing Christmas.
Okay. Yeah. And excuse me, show my drip now.
Murder.
Rate my drip.
I didn't see shoes no.
No, they don't actually see the shoes. Just rate my drip. Yeah. Okay. Shaki and
Your drip are run like water.
rate her drip.
No drip.
From B. Yeah. Rate her drip. Yeah. Alright. Rate Balti drip. Excuse me. Let me show Balti drip. Rate. Yeah.
Rate the clown. That's talking.
Oh yeah, the Julio.
Let me tap it in.
You did tear
Me did a record and catch it because I'm close. I'm not what I'm
Alright guys, so we are gonna continue today this vlog into Sunday and then just one other thing for Sunday's vlog. So I'm gonna be cleaning the fridge. So it's still a part of the kitchen cleanup. Yes, the kitchen did actually clean. We didn't see it yesterday, but you know we use plates, so it has to wash again. So anyways, we're back from church. Sister's hair. As always. So yes, we are gonna we are gonna clean the fridge. And I go cook. I'm gonna clean the fridge and then I'm gonna do some washing. I'm gonna fold my clothes, I'm gonna wash my brushes, clean my window, put up my curtain, and then that will be the end of today's video. And then for tomorrow's video we're gonna do something else, so come back tomorrow for tomorrow's video. So yes, if you haven't watched yesterday's video actually, that I ended up doing last night, it is a Christmas Q&A, so you can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, so let us get into the rest of today's cleaning. Alright guys, so there's one section done. The section with the chocolate and the cheese and the peanut butter, that is done. I think something is missing, but I can't figure out what's done. Yeah, that's done. Alright guys, so it is later on, it's 6:36. As you guys saw, I have just finished my fridge. I've just finished the fridge. So I haven't even gotten to the clothes or to finish washing or into the activity of today. I just realized how much work the kitchen itself is. Like, I guess probably because we haven't actually done the kitchen itself so much, because pretty much because we had to like packing back everything. It took a while, plus like the fridge needed to clean because the electricity went on it some weeks ago, so it's like things melted in there that weren't supposed to melt in there. So yes, right now I'm going to be doing the shout outs for the day. So we have our unscramble, and our unscramble today goes to Miss Kadesha Edwards. Thank you so much for commenting, and you got it right. Very good. It was mistletoe. And then the emoji goes to Treesan Ford Henry, and the emojis were joy to the world. Now today's emojis are, go ahead and comment in the comments down below what you think these emojis mean. Let's see who will get it first. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.